Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
On TV-connected devices, visit the Settings menu and ensure that Stereo, or Normal, is selected for audio. On a computer or mobile device, check the volume control found in the lower corner of the video you're watching to make sure that it isn't muted or that the volume isn't set too low.
Make your mark, take our lead.
With available audio enhancement options like 2.0 stereo audio and Dolby Digital plus 5.1 surround sound, you can crank up the volume on your supported devices and immerse yourself in the streaming experience.
Take our lead.
How to change your Hulu language in the mobile app. Open Hulu on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device and begin playing the movie or show you'd like to watch. Tap on the screen to reveal options. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Click on the subtitles or audio options to change the default language.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.